take a look around. We'll give you a little shop walk around, see what the boys are up to. Put them on camera, catch them in the act. So Bruce is putting rockers and cab corners on this the 72 Chev pickup. We got in there, dug around, found out they were rusted, which is typical. You can see on this side here, the stuff you never, look at this where someone filled this in, the old bracing here, and it's all rotten, so this is going to have to be cut out and repaired and fixed. That's not right. You can see it's rusted down through here, cab corners are gone. I can't get under here, but it's rusted all the way along. There's no point patching shit like that. Just fix it, replace it, because it's just going to come back again. Mike is working on the custom made hood here that he made. This is looking good. So this is a 55 to 58 shit, well 55 hood and then a 58 hood. And he's fabricated the 58 hood into the 55 hood. That's why this is a lot closer than a stock 58 hood. The customer wanted it dipped down so his blower will fit through, which is, if you all remember, it's underneath this blanket here, staying nice and clean. And he's putting some patches in on the side of the hood today. It had some rust in there, so he's getting taken care of that. That's what's going on there. Now, the owner of the Cuda just came by and dropped off his little engine here, so it's all ready to go. So Chris is going to be bolting the tranny, clutch, all that kind of bullshit to the engine today, getting it ready to go in. So right over here, we got the Cuda. Chris is just working in the shade today because it's like finally we got summertime. It's about time. So Chris is just doing the edges with a little bit of rattle can. Then we're going to get in there with our Raptor product and spray it with the gun. So there you can see what's... Oh, it's all good, man. See what's going on in there. Just kind of cleaning it up for the owner. Now underneath the hood area, he went back with the factory red. I forget the name of it, but they use this on 73 and 74s.
Rally red.
Rally red, that's it. So it's kind of like it's red in the shade, but it's really orangey in the sun. So that's all sprayed. That's how we do it. So that way there, now we put the engine and tranny in there, and we don't have to go back and do all that after, because you'd never get to it. So we'll get everything Raptored inside and sprayed, and then we will get the engine tranny and start assembling that. So that's what's going on there. Then I picked up for Big Red a rust-free, well, not the floor, but a rust-free box for Big Red. Y'all know that Big Red, the box is just gone on it. So we blasted the inside and we came up with a rust on the inside. If you see right over in the far corner over there, she's rusted out there, and she's got some rust right here. But that's not a big deal. Honestly, this is just from my work truck. You all know Big Red. I'm just going to cut this piece out, form a piece, put it in there, probably like 4 hours, and I'll be done, because I'm not going to get that fancy and do it real super nice. Weld up some of the excess holes in the box, and then I get the box. The box itself, like I say, down the side is original paint, never been painted. No rust underneath the box. That's the only rust that was in this box. So Big Red's getting a new box this year. There we go. So that's what's going on. So some more goodies here. The guy dropped off for his Cuda. There we go. The boys are all hard at work. Everyone's hard at work but me. Okay. Now I will get hard to work now that I did this video to keep all you guys happy and quiet. And there you are. So remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. We'll see you next time. Join us on Facebook under Old Time Garage, and look at Instagram under Rick's_Old Time Garage, and we're there too. See you later, guys.